Big relief for Aryan Khan as he has been granted bail. Shah Rukh Khan's son was arrested in a Mumbai drug cruise ship case and has spent almost a month in jail. The 23-year-old son of Shah Rukh Khan has been in custody since October 3, hours after drug raids on a cruise ship party. Former Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi, representing Aryan Khan, said only 2.4 grams of drugs were seized from the cruise ship. He says a dealer should have 200 grams of drugs. Sameer Wankhede has moved Bombay High Court seeking protection. Wankhede claims that Maharashtra police might arrest him. He also requested transferring the investigation undertaken by the Maharashtra state government to any central agency or to the CBI. Goa CM Pramod Sawant has said that Mamata Banerjee's visit to Goa won't make any difference. He says people of Goa have full faith in his government and Narendra Modi. Mamata Banerjee's TMC and Arvind Kejriwal's AAP will contest in Goa assembly polls for the first time. Russia reports 40,096 new cases and 1,159 fatalities. Moscow shuts down non-essential services for 11 days to combat the COVID-19 surge. Few people are seen passing in front of closed shops in quiet streets of Moscow. Citizens have been advised against travelling in order to stem a spike in coronavirus infections and deaths. The UK government has announced the budget for the year 2022. UK's economic think tank, Resolution Foundation, says that millions of people will face worse situations due to price hikes and higher taxes. The think tank added that low-income houses will struggle. French President Emmanuel Macron confirms that the country will hand back a trove of Benin bronzes to the modern-day state of Benin. He says treasures will be returned during a visit to the Quai Branly Jacques Chirac Museum. The transfer of ownership will be enacted in 2 weeks during the visit of Beninese President Patrice Talon at the Elysee Palace. Iran has urged the Taliban to adopt a friendly approach. Iran's foreign minister advised Taliban during a meeting of Afghanistan's 6 neighboring countries to determine a roadmap following the Islamist takeover of Kabul. Taliban took over Afghanistan after August 15, following the withdrawal of US and NATO troops. Russian Ministry of Defense says its Marines rescued a cargo ship sailing under a Panamanian flag from pirates in the Gulf of Guinea in the Atlantic Ocean. Armed pirates had boarded the container feeder MSC Lucia on 25th of October. The crew had hidden in the engine room and sent a distress call. Pirates fled to the shore in a speedboat after a Russian military helicopter approached the hijacked ship. Farmers of California are experiencing the hottest summer. Rise in temperatures and wildfires have affected farmers' health and income. Farmers are not allowed to farm if temperatures exceed 95 degrees Fahrenheit.